Welcome back to our Christmas countdown quilt-along. It's December 4 and today we're going to work on our Nutcracker's hair. Now he's got a couple of sections here, so we're going to come on in and echo around those shapes. And when there's room, I'm going to throw in an extra curl. So we're going to do both sides of his hair today. I'm going to do this side perhaps slightly differently, just to give you two sort of alternative hairstyles. So you can see how I keep using that track to travel. More black stitching in the black outline doesn't matter. You can stitch in there as much as you like. This time I'm going to come down and do a whole spiral down in here. So echo my way down and then launch into a spiral. There you go. So you've got two different choices for hairstyle. That's your lot for today. Thanks very much. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.